How to turn on or turn off activity status on TikTok. If you want to turn your activity status on or off on TikTok, it's easy to do and only takes a few moments. Let me show you how. First, open the TikTok app and tap Profile in the bottom right corner. Next, tap the menu icon in the top right corner, then select Settings and Privacy. Now scroll down until you find Direct Messages and tap on it. On the next screen, tap Activity Status. Here, you'll see three options. If you want everyone on TikTok to see when you're active, select Public. If you only want your mutual followers to see your activity, choose Friends. And if you don't want anyone to see when you're active, simply select No One. Your changes are saved instantly, so there's nothing else you need to do. And that's it. That's how you can turn your activity status on or off on TikTok in just a few simple steps. If you found this helpful, click like, share, and subscribe for more such content.